Avoid mistakes. Watch the entire video before you begin the installation. Package contents: 1x3 MK Privacy 2-Way with adhesive, anti-bubble card, installation guide, cleaning cloth set. Prepare your device. Clean the screen first with the wet cloth and then with the dry cloth. This is a very important step. The screen must be completely clean before installation. Place the installation set on the device so that the positioning tabs are correctly aligned. Remove the backing from the positioning tab. Attach the positioning tab. Repeat the same process on the opposite side of the screen. Lift the set slightly. Remove the protective backing from the adhesive layer by gently pulling tab 1 downward. Lower the set so that the film adheres to the screen. Press it down gently. If any air bubbles remain, use the anti-bubble card to remove them. Use tab 3 to remove the protective top layer. If any air bubbles remain, use the anti-bubble card and the dry cloth to remove them. Any remaining imperfections should disappear within 48 hours. Privacy protection installed.